Hello guys, this is Chitrank Dixit and today we will see how to use list in Python. So list is a collection of similar or dissimilar elements in Python. So let us assign a variable named L with list. So list can be assigned with square bracket open and square bracket closed. You can type any number of elements in it. I'm typing integer type elements in it, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Now I hit enter. L is assigned 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can use indexing in list. So what would be the element at the list of index 2? It's 3. As you can see, it's 0, it's 1 and 2, right? Let us assign some other list. Here I have typed my name, my age, date of birth, and I hit enter. I get the collection of a string and 2 integer elements. Right now I can use some methods with list, like length of the list. So what would be the length of my list L? It would be 3, as there are 3 elements in my list. I can use slicing in list. So I can slice the elements from -1 up to -1. So there would be 2 elements, Chitrank and 23. I can slice the elements from 1 up to the end. So I have 23 and 1991. And the same way I can use some addition operations to list. So I can add some elements to list. It's like 1, 4, 5, 2, 6, and I hit enter. I get these elements added at the back of this my list. I can also use append method with list to add the element at the last of the list. So I have my surname Dixit at the last, and dot append, and I hit L. I have Chitrank 23, 1991 and Dixit. As you can see, append adds up the element at the last of the list. In the above statement over here, we have added these 4 elements but never assigned these elements to L. We have just performed an operation that has not changed the state of the variable L. Now we can remove elements from our list using pop method. So when I hit pop method, I can pop up the element at the so the last element would be popped out, named Dixit. I can also pop the elements with particular index, just like the element at the index 1. So element at the index 1 was 23, so it gets popped out. Now in our list we can sort some of our elements, just like I have typed one list named numbers. So numbers would be from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I type num dot sort. Sort is the method to sort all these elements in ascending order. So I hit enter, and when I type num again, I get all the elements sorted. It sorts up all these elements and store the sorted order into the variable num. Now I also use num.reverse and again type num to reverse them back, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, as I assigned it earlier. In list we can also use some of the basic methods, just like remove. So I want to remove some element from the num. I can remove it by stating the element. I would like to remove the element 5 from the num, and when I see num, I have removed 5. Right now, beside list, which gets its state changed all the time, we have tuples as well. So tuples are something like this. these are assigned under open parenthesis and close parenthesis. So when I assign 12, 23, 34, 45 and I hit enter, these elements are assigned to a variable named tuple. And when I try to remove some element from the tuple, I get an error message as tuple does not change its state. The elements you've assigned in the tuple could not change. Or I type append method to add up some elements, I would get the error again. It says that tuple object has no attribute append. So on the whole idea, you cannot change the state of the tuple variable. So tuple are assigned for those tasks where you do not want your list to get changed frequently, and lists are assigned for those purposes where you want to change the state of the elements of your list frequently. So this was all about list and tuples in Python. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching.